little wind test. Oh boy. It's currently gusting about 65 kilometers per hour, sustained about 40. Wow, I'm getting pushed backwards. But look how steady it is. All right, that's in city mode. I'm going to pump her up to normal. There we go. I'm having a hard time. I'm trying. I'm pushing straight ahead. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, the gimbal took a little smack there. Ooh, better get up there. Ooh. Yeah, I'm getting blown. I'm going straight forward, but I'm getting blown sideways. That's a good guess. Ah! Honestly, hey, look at those trees out there bouncing around. Jesus. I'm impressed. There's a flag over here. See if I can shut the flag. You know, I get, ooh, we're going to push a little sideways there. Gimbal's getting tossed around. Woo! See if I get a different angle here. Oh, there's people there. So I think you can tell it's pretty windy. Honestly, that's pretty awesome though. 65 kilometers per hour. That's just basically the backyard here. Going over anybody's houses. Just staying. This is my little flight path when I don't feel like going anywhere. Like honestly, I handle it itself pretty good. I'm impressed. I don't think I'd be playing the DJI Neo right now. So there you go. I could get drop it down like 5 kilometers an hour. Ooh, she rises fast though. Ooh. Ah, maybe we should come home. This is pretty freaking windy, dude. That wind warning has not gone away since I left it off. All right.
Return to home.
I don't know why I rose up there. It was already at 50 meters. That's what I had to set that. Just zoom it back home. See how it does on the landing.
Landing.
Now, I took off from the picnic table, so I don't know how well this is going to do. So I'm going to say gusts at 65 kilometers per hour is probably the upper limit for this. Anything higher than that, I imagine, would be smacking the gimbal around pretty good. It's still going down. It's fine. Area unsuitable for landing. No. That could be because of the picnic table. It doesn't like the picnic table. I will decide what is suitable for you, sir. You just get down there.
Landing.
Oh, I don't trust this landing. Okay, get over there.
Landing.
There we go. Yeah, good wind test.